Sanbonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. It is very much important to look at the green flags and also look at the red flags in a relationship. I'm talking about green flags, which green means it's a go ahead, go, 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 good, good, good. But a red flag, it's not a good thing. I'm talking about green and red flags because someone in the comments section asked, is it possible for your partner to be the one who destroys you, or who's not good for you, who maybe hinders your blessings? Yes. And most of the time, we are given signs about these people, but we tend to just shy away from whatever because of why inhliziyo phela ifuna lento eyifunayo. But it gets to a point where uNkulunkulu avuma egcineni ukuthi uhlukane nalomuntu lona, ihlukane. Ngoba abanye benu, even though wazi ukuthi lo muntu akekho good for wena, but you still continue to go to that person. You still usasebhizi. Yes, abanye bangakhala ukuthi badlisiwe and all of those things and but egcineni God finally makes a way ukuthi uphume kulelo dliso lelo, like ukwazi ukuphuma. All I can say is that when you get a chance to go away from this toxic partner yakho, you are told, you are shown visions, you see your life just going south and all of that. Phuma kuloyo muntu loyo, phuma while you still can. Ungalokhu busy uhleli endaweni that is not good for you, that is toxic for you, that is just going to delay you. Ngoba it's not that iy'ngilosi zakho azisebenzi okanye uNkulunkulu akakubhekanga, ukubhekile uyakubonisa ezinye izinto. God cannot just come and take you out of that situation for the fact that he is showing you and telling you ukuthi this is what's happening. You need to act. Uwe kumele ukuthi wenzeni? Act. And I know we've spoken about this, so some of the visions that we see ayayenzwa, but nayo into engifuna ukuyikhanyisa la. You see, when you dream of your partner cheating, ne? Yes, umbonile. Yes, you're going to pray, but you have multiple dreams now. I could say poop a lot, but you're busy having multiple dreams, and all these dreams are showing you a particular person or are showing you what he's doing. The only thing that you need to do is for you to close your mouth, vala umlomo, uvule amehlo, uvule umqondo wakho, vala umlomo. And now uzovala umlomo, you are going to be the calmest person. And please pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu akwenze ukuthi ube calm. When we see visions about our partners cheating, it does not necessarily mean that let's go and attack them. Sibalwise. Cha. Pray. Uzivalele wena umlomo. Mhlambe mangithi pray uphinde uyibuza ukuthi ayibo makazi, what exactly will I say to God about this? You will tell God, thank you for everything. Thank you for continuing to guiding me and showing me. Please show me more about so and so. God, this is how I feel about this person. So please show me what I need to know. Trust me, God will show you. Even when you do those prayers, when you say, God, please remove all the people that are not meant to be in my life, and then you see people leaving you, it's the prayers that you have said. So even with this particular one where you have a partner, or you look your consult, or you're shown visions, or you uyambona now ukuthi hayi lo akuso yena, you even feel it now yourself. Siyeba singakhala ngeichitho and all of those things. Kodwa mina ngithini mawusu close that mouth and be calm, uvula amehlo uvula umqondo, because of into ezenzakala uyiboniswe in the spirit, if it's really happening, it's going to manifest in your physical. And angeke kuze kuthathe nesikhathi, it's going to manifest in your physical. Uzothuthu, oh, ngayiboniswa lento. Uthulile, ubumbona umuntu, uyithulele wena uloko luqhubeka, ukhulekile. And then there will come a time where you will literally confront the person, or you won't even have to confront the person, because of that's a way you're going to withdraw yourself. Because of, remember, uzothuthu ulahla umuntu umlahla ngamaphupho. Trust you me, uma uyilezi eziphuphayo eziboniswayo ukuthi ngikuphuphile wena wenza kanje nakanje, the other person will make you a fool. The other person will deny. So wena ngithi uyaboniswa, vala umlomo wakho, because of now God and your guides are showing you izinto ezenzakala emfihlakalweni, lezinto lo muntu azenzayo, so that you can make the decision. Wakumele wenze decision after sowutshengisiwe sowubonisiwe. The decision that you make after usuqeda ukuboniswa, that is very much important. And I trust you me, you are not in a hurry of making any decisions. Don't make a decision ujahile. Cha, ungayenzi leyo decision ujahile. Linda, ukhuleke. Uthi uma soyibona lento ihamba kanje. Well, siyahluka masingabantu, khona abantu abangakwazi ukulinda, khona abantu nje yazini. Pray to have peace. Pray to actually start focusing on yourself, because if we get into relationship, you give that person 100%, and that person is not meant for you, and we are boniswa, and konke. Yes, you are going to be hurt, but for the fact that ubonisiwe or utsheliwe, make that necessary decision. Angazi inhliziyo yakho ifuna isikhathi singakanani, but umuso abantu abadala kanye nomveli inqanga uNkulunkulu yena ingilosi zakho zikubonisile. Take the decision, make the decision, and be happy with your decision. Even pray about your decision. Go to God, this is what I'm choosing for myself. This is what I want for myself. So God can even show you even more. And let's stop this thing with hey, vele cheating. Let's stop normalizing things that are not normal. Normalizing ukuthi umuntu uyacheata. Ukuthi hayi uyacheata lo muntu. Uyacheatela kusasa uyakugulisa. Utoxic lo muntu, you are always miserable, you are always unhappy when you think about home or going back to your place. Ngobuhlala naye lo muntu, you are not happy. Stop normalizing things that are not normal because of usaba ukuba single, because of usaba ukuthi uzoba njani, uzoba lonely. Sometimes, or most of the times, when you are single, that is the blessing, because uzubona mawuso phakathi ku relationship ukuthi yo, I miss when I was single. You know, when I was single, I was able to do this, I was able to do that. Hey, sibaningi sifuna ukungena emshadweni, kodwa baningi abantu abaphakathi komshado abafuna ukuphuma kulowo mshado. So appreciate your time while you are still single. And to the person who has asked this question, is it possible for your partner to be the one who hinders your blessings, to be your partner? Yes, it's very much possible. It's very much possible. So because of usubonisiwe, usucheliwe, the decision that you're about to take, that's the decision that matters. And in situations like this, you really need to love yourself and do not have the fear of unknown, the fear ukuthi if ngemshiya then ngizohlala nginganamuntu. Uzuyi-one emhlabeni, uzohamba futhi uyi-one, but akuso wonke umuntu ofuna ukuhlala single. Abantu bafuna ukuhlala bebusy kanti kube uyazi kuyisibusiso kanjani ukuthi ube single uyiphilele yakhe impilo. Egcineni uNkulunkulu maseka kunika lo yakunikeza yona, angithi uzobe nawe uloko lumcela umcela. Yebo inkinga ziyohlezi zikhona, kodwa it is very much possible. Bantu bayathwala la ngaphandle. Abantu, they look at you and see that you are doing better than them. Azama ukukudestroy, azama ukukucindezela. Some of your partners out there, they are with you because of the money that you have or the benefits that you give them. They are with you because of they know it's when they are with you. They will cruise kumnandi nje. It's nice being with you. Injalo nje, injalo. It's life. At the end of the day, you really need to take that decision about your life. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano nozwana nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu. Stay blessed.